Hello class! Today we are making a Chinese favorite dim sum dish, pork and shrimp shumai, but a keto-friendly version. It will have all the taste of a regular shumai without all the carbs. Here are the ingredients. As always, I have designed these for quick screen captures so you can get a good idea of how some of these ingredients look. The ingredients are also listed in the description box. First, take the tofu skin out of the package and we are going to cut them into 3-inch squares. You can find tofu skin in most Asian supermarkets like 99 Ranch in the refrigerated tofu section. Don't worry about cutting them perfectly, just that they are about roughly the same size. Peel each skin apart and set them aside. This recipe will yield about 9 to 10 shumai. Let's make the filling. In a food processor, add the 1/4 pound of ground pork and 1/8 pound of peeled shrimp. Process for a few minutes. Remove the filling from the food processor into a mixing bowl. Add a 1/8 cup of chopped shiitake mushrooms. I'm using dry shiitake mushrooms that has been rehydrated by soaking in warm water since these are more flavorful. Add a 1/4 cup chopped onions. Add 2 teaspoons of water, 1/2 teaspoon of white pepper, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon powder, 1/2 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, and 1 teaspoon of Monkfruit sweetener. Mix everything together well and start pounding the meat by picking it up and slamming it down into the bowl. This process breaks down the protein and will help lend a smooth, firm, and bouncy texture to the filling. To wrap the shumai, I find it easier to use a butter spreader. You are going to form a hole using your index finger and thumb, grabbing a tofu skin and place over the hole, then scoop the meat filling using the butter spreader and fill the hole. As I stuff the shumai, I like to rotate it in a circle to help round out the shape. Also, squeeze your palm gently to tighten the tofu skin wrapper to the filling. Then, as you put down the shumai, flatten the bottom by dropping it a few times on the flat surface. When we are done wrapping, it is time to get these babies into the steamer. I have partnered with Our Place for this recipe video. They have kindly sent me one of their most popular pans called the Always Pan. This pan was designed to take the place of 8 different cookware. Usually I steam shumai and other types of dim sum in a bamboo steamer, but today I wanted to try out the Always Pan using the handy dandy steamer tray that comes with it. Once the shumai are in the steam tray, garnish it with some edamame and shrimp. In the steamer, add a 1/4 cup of water and insert the steam tray. The lid on, turn on medium heat and steam for 10 minutes. While our shumai steams, let's just take a moment to admire how beautiful this pan is. Look at the beautiful lavender color. After 10 minutes, take the steam tray out of the steamer. I love these conveniently designed handles that is built into the steam tray. Usually you have to use this separate metal contraption that most Asian families own, and that is not the most stable thing for lifting hot steam trays. I wanted to take a quick sec to show you how easy cleanup is with this non-stick pan because it has these 2 easy pour spouts and soft grip stay cool handles. Right after I'm done steaming, I can simply carry it to the sink and pour out the water and do a quick rinse. For the sake of presentation, I am using the bamboo steamer as part of the plating for the shumai. Enjoy these guilt-free, keto-friendly shumai as is, or dip them in some mustard and chili sauce. If you enjoyed this recipe, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you would like to learn more about the Always Pan, check out my unboxing video.